Hey everybody, Ed here. We're getting ready to cut a circle and I wanted to just show you. So the first thing we're going to do is take a piece of a paper towel and we're going to put some glass cutter oil on it. Just using, your basic Novacan glass cutting oil, water soluble, washes away. So the first thing we want to do is want to run our circle cutter around with our oil because we want that area that we're going to score really well lubricated, okay? And the other thing this does is it actually cleans that area that we're going to be working on, okay? So before we cut our circle, this suction cup has already been sitting here for about a minute and a half. That's too long. Reset it, make sure you lift it up, get the air out of it, push it back down, and reset it without moving it, okay? Here we go, ready? So we're gonna come around and we're gonna come right back to this point, but we're not gonna run over top of it. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm starting the score with my thumb right here. Now we're gonna chase this around. Okay. We're chasing this circle around. You might be able to see the run in there. So we've broken this circle. I'm not going to pick it up and flip it over to break the other side. What I'm going to do is just kind of push down and pick up. You can hear the pop. I'm going to push down on the outside corner, pick up, you can hear the pop. Now I'm going to do this third corner over here and we should be good to go ahead and clear this circle out. Now it did run off a little bit right here where we stopped, but okay. But that's okay, because we run this around on what we call a wet belt sander. We'll turn this several times, 8 or 10 times around a wet belt sander and put what we call a tabletop edge on it. The customer's gonna love it. So just wanted to show you how the different size circle cutters do different size circles. This is our medium circle cutter. The small one you see all the time, we showed you about the Glass Star. Then we have one that's much larger. However, Ed doesn't cut circles that large anymore because I can't lift them. Thanks for tuning in. This is Ed. I'm in the glass shop at Conway Glass with Barb. And don't forget, if this helps you out, kind of give you a little bit larger scale idea on how to cut a circle, please, hopefully it helps you. And please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up because that's the only finger we like. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.